So,
Hi guys, today it is a new update on this line and it's part 2.
So we did add a bit of water
and it
because
just,
it was like ice in the store.
So don't put it in for 5 to 10 minutes. Probably
No, we put it in for a bit longer, for 5 to maybe like 15. So I made a YouTube video on LI vlogs. So we decided to add a bit of shampoo. Apple thing into it.
We don't know what to call it because
so it'll be like.
Sorry we didn't get it out on a video. Yeah. Can I just mix it down here?
Yeah. I'll just show you guys. Turn it on. Go and check out my channel, LLI Vlogs, and our other stepsister's channel, Lois's World.
I think the hairspray did something to it.
Yeah, we added a bit of hairspray and to see if it would work, but I guess it didn't.
We shouldn't have put water.
No. Well, you shouldn't have. So now we should add a bit more because it's really thick.
Well, maybe not a bit, but
I think that's good.
yeah,
Can I mix?
that's better.
It's got a bit better.
I think the freezer might help it.
Yeah, I think we're just going to put it in the freezer
Set
now.
again.
Yeah, for maybe 10 minutes because actually this is like liquid, so it'll be good for 10 minutes. This, like, look at So yeah, do you want to put it in?
This isn't really your part 2.
I think we're gonna have to do a part 3.
Yeah, because sorry, these are so small.
Yeah. But anyways, yeah. Oh yeah, and go check out my TikTok, Puppy Lover 498, and her TikTok channel. Well, Abby's TikTok channel.
It's
Abby
probably
made months. There's no spaces on the line.
It's probably starting to freeze.
Yeah.
Because our freezer is up to 18.
Yeah. So like and subscribe. Bye.